There's an AI tool in town that is shaking things in a big way. DeepSeek has already surpassed ChatGPT on the iOS download and everyone is talking about it. You may ask, what is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is a powered chat AI bot just like ChatGPT, but this one is owned by Chinese company. It's gaining massive attention because of its advanced capability. But is it really a game changer that people claim it to be? In this video, I'm not only going to tell you about DeepSeek, I'm about to put DeepSeek into a test. Can this AI tool help us launch a profitable online business from scratch? Stay with me because what I'm about to show you might just change the way you make money online. So let's dive into the video.
Go to your browser and search for deepseek.com. okay, so it's going to load and it's going to bring you to an interface just like this. As you can see here, it says start now or get DeepSeek app. So what you need to do is just for you to click on start now. When you click on start now, as you can see, it's showing login. It's because I already have an account here. Okay, so you are going to see sign up. So click on sign up. When you click on sign up, it's going to see the box that you put your email. After your email, put your password, then you confirm the password, right? This place the road code, the email you sign in with, they are going to send a code to it. Just go there, copy the code and place it here. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using the app. Just go to your Play Store and search for DeepSeek AI. So as you can see, this is DeepSeek AI showing on your screen right now. Mine is showing open because I've already have the app installed on my phone. In your case, you'll be seeing install. So just do well and install the app. Okay, as you can see here, this app already have 95k review and 10 million download for just this short period of time. That's to show that this app is really delivering value. Okay, so I just click on open and it will open. This is how the interface of DeepSeek look like. If you have used ChatGPT before, you see that they have similar interface. You say, hello, I am DeepSeek. What can I help you with today? As you know, we are trying to see if DeepSeek can actually create a business for us and see if we can be able to make money from DeepSeek. All right. So in this regard, I'm just going to be putting a prompt in this interface right now. Feel free to pause the video and copy the prompt so that you can actually use it. Okay, the prompt says, I am looking to start a side hustle from home that requires little investment, is globally scalable and has the potential to generate over 10,000 US dollar. Can you suggest a profitable side hustle for me? Then you are going to click on send, and as you can see, DeepSeek is actually generating the top 10 side hustles that we can actually start from home with little or no capital. Okay, so let's just allow it to generate and see the one we can work with. I'm seeing digital product, I'm seeing affiliate marketing, drop shipping, virtual assistant, and a lot more. Okay, so the one that really caught my attention is this freelance finance mastery. I think this one will really be a good topic for us to write on, like be a digital product, that's an ebook or a course. So with this, like maybe 16 to 70% sure that this topic is going to sell and is going to make us a whole lot of money. But I will not just stop my research there. Right now, let's head over to Google Trend and see if this topic has been doing well over the years. Okay, so I'm on the Google Trends interface now. I'm just going to type finance taxes and see how this search term has been doing over the years. Right, as you can see here, this has been doing well over 5 years now. It has been going down and coming up, as in it's not fixed. It's going to go up today and tomorrow is going to go down. It means that this particular topic is actually very searchable and it has a whole lot of people that are searching for it. What this means is, if we should write a book or write a course on this particular topic, we are going to be making a whole lot of sale if we should put in the right marketing strategy. Okay, so now that Google Trends have also validated for us that it has been doing well in the next 5 years, let's move up to the next step.
When using an AI tool like ChatGPT, DeepSeek or Google Gemini, it's crucial to see them as tools rather than see them as a complete solution for your side hustles. AI should support your business and not run it entirely. The key is to combine AI tools strategically to be able to build your online business the right way. Now that I've decided on the digital product I want to create, I would highly recommend that you should use Gamma app for the next process. It's an AI tool that is completely free and I strongly recommend it for beginners because it's going to help you when it comes to building a digital product from scratch. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description below. Just click on the link and it's going to take you to this interface.
Then click on the sign up for free. Then it's going to take you to this page over here where all you need to do is to click on generate. So it's going to be from this point that you can actually choose an option either for you to create a course or an ebook. It works in such a simple way because all you need to do is just to enter the information of what type of digital product that you are looking to make. And of course, this is where DeepSeek come in again. But if you want to type in the information yourself into Gamma, it's actually pretty simple and it's also straightforward. But if you wanted a little bit more of information, like when it comes to how to structure whatever digital product that you are going to make, it's just for you to come back to DeepSeek and input this prompt. I want to make a digital presentation that will be sold as a course using an AI tool called Gamma app. Can you give me a brief description that I will paste into Gamma app for a freelance taxes course? And I'm just going to click on send and allow DeepSeek to do its work. As you can see, DeepSeek have worked out to give us the entire outline we need to use, not just the course description, right? We can actually copy all this outline into Gamma for Gamma to create our course for us, okay? Or you can just come here, just copy just this description and take it to Gamma, and Gamma will give you its own outline that you can use. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to copy the description and take it to Gamma for Gamma to generate outline for us to use. I'll paste the description I got from DeepSeek into Gamma, then I'll select the cards that I want, either 1 card, 2 cards, but I'm just going to go for 10 cards. After selecting 10 card, I'm just going to click on generate outline and Gamma is going to generate an outline for us. And with these seconds, Gamma is already generating outline for us. How cool is this? So as you can see, Gamma is done generating our outline for us. So all we need to do is just to scroll down and select medium, then click on generate, and you are going to see the magic start happening. You can see that Gamma has started generating our course for us from scratch. This is so cool, right? One thing I love about this tool is this: you have full control of what you want your course to look like, right? You can decide to change this font to something else. You can decide to change the subtitle. You can decide to change practically anything you want to change. You can change the image, right? You have full control of this particular tool. This is the reason why I love this tool so much. Right from your very eye, Gamma has gone ahead to produce a digital product and I'm going to be able to package and sell. The reason why I strongly believe that this digital product is going to sell is because people are already searching on it from Google. Okay, it means if I promote this digital product on social media, there's a very high chance that people are going to buy this particular product. Okay, and you might ask, why are you using all this AI? I'm trying to combine all this AI because if I'm to sit down and make this product myself, it's going to take me weeks or even months for me to put this together. But with the help of AI, I'll be able to put this together in less than an hour. So this is really cool in my opinion. Looking to make a digital product using something like Gamma, I would strongly recommend that you pair it with an AI voice maker like in Level Labs, right? So that this way you got a voiceover also narrating what is going on in the presentation.
Now, I know your question will be, Alice, after creating this course, how do I market it? How do I sell it? My recommendation is for you to use sites like Teachable because it's actually very fantastic for educational courses or for educational content, just like the one we just created. And also, I will advise that you should use your own website, right? Don't panic, it's completely free, okay? If you want me to create a video on how to create an active and functioning website for free, just let me know down in the comment section and I'm going to be creating that video for you. Imagine you are able to build your own website, right? List your digital product there and be able to make money in different ways through your website. Do you know you can be able to list other people's digital product in your website and earn affiliate commission? I tell you that the sky will be your starting point if you are able to build your own website in this time and age with the help of AI. It's actually not difficult. And the third way I will recommend that you should sell your digital product is by creating a TikTok account, okay? When you create a TikTok account, make videos around the course you have created and make sure you are uploading consistently, right? Whenever you upload a video, make sure that you put the link to the course you are trying to promote. Before you know, you are going to build a large audience that is actually going to be driving traffic to your course. To really blow up on TikTok is actually not difficult compared to other platforms. So also utilize the power of TikTok, okay? If you have been looking for a smart way to start an online business, I can say that DeepSeek is worth exploring. But always remember that AI is just a tool. The way you use it makes the difference. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Turn on your bell notification in order for you not to miss out on my future make money online strategies. And if you want me to dive into AI powered side hustle, please let me know down in the comment section by commenting DeepSeek money. And I promise you I will make it happen. The video that is showing up on your screen is actually a step-by-step guide on how you can make $14 per hour just by reading. So click on it and I will see you there.